how optimistic do you feel about this? I feel pretty optimistic. You're Italian, it's in your blood.
But I don't trust in English ingredients. I don't want to sound like very, I know, but it's
so
not
if this goes wrong, it's England's fault?
It's no one's fault,
wow,
okay?
Anna.
No, it's no one's fault. It's just...
terrible.
I look so short.
We're doing Italy today with a special guest. It's my housemate Anna. Oh, there you are, you're down there. She's not that short, it's just a weird angle. So Anna, where are you from?
I'm from Bassano del Grappa, which is really close to Venice, in the north Italy.
And what are we making today?
We're making pizza.
So what do we need to buy?
We need to buy the stuff to put on top of the pizza, which is going to be tomato sauce, some mozzarella and some basil, because we're doing margherita tonight, so very classic Italian.
Sounds good.
Here is basically an Italian supermarket, because you would find everything you would find in an Italian supermarket.
Bay leaf. Oh, zero basil.
Oh no!
Is that one good?
No. We need this one. Take two, just in case. Mozzarella.
Is that a cheese over there?
Mozzarella. Yeah. And then we only need the basil.
That's it?
Yeah. But I don't think...
Do you have any coffee recommendations?
Yeah, I would say, personally, Illy is the best one. It's just my favorite personal taste.
Should we just forget the basil?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need to sprinkle anything on the top of the pizza?
No.
I'm good.
Okay.
What about the pineapple?
No.
Italian sweet.
Okay.
How much does the recipe say we should use?
It's basically how much you feel is right. That's nice. So I have to be careful. Okay, pinch of salt. Whatever you think is enough.
Just eyeball it.
Yeah, eyeballing it, that's the right word. Now we're gonna spend about like 15 minutes doing this. We're gonna put the dough in the fridge for an hour with cloth on top. And then after that we're gonna put the dough as it is in this bowl in the oven for 2 hours, just with the light on so the oven is warm and the dough can grow.
So we're making 3 pieces.
Yes. How are we gonna fit 3 in there?
The force. If we're doing 3, we can mess up at least 2.
Take these out. Put some flour on here. Now we can divide it into 3.
3 balls?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, you want, to keep the edges a little bit more thick.
Oh.
Because it's the crust. Just try to like pull the dough. Pull it but without breaking it. Yeah, pull it down and out. Push down and out.
Okay. Do you learn how to make pizza like when you're a kid in school?
Cooking and baking is very important in Italy. It's a part of the culture. So you do it a lot in your family. Anyway, so even if you didn't end up doing it in school, you would probably be doing that with your grandmother or your mom or whatever. It's a bit thin.
Do we want a thin one?
I mean, in the north, where we usually go for, like, to get pizzas, we really like the thin version because it's more like crunchy. It's more crunchy. While in the south, they prefer it more thick. It's personal. Everyone likes it different. I think you should try both ways and then judge.
For real though, the pineapple thing?
No. I don't know. Pizza was just invented without the pineapple.
So we've got the tomato sauce, we've got the mozzarella. What goes first?
We go first with the tomato sauce. And we just turn around. Poof. Okay, so
how close to the edges do you want to go?
Follow your heart.
I think that's the best cooking advice.
Yeah. Once we're happy with the tomato, we can go with the mozzarella. Oops. Like I like mine as a flour.
I was shocked how easy this was.
Yeah, basically that's the thing about Italy. We can make loads of things from scratch, but it's very easy and also it's very cheap. Because if you think about it, ingredients, flour, water, oil and salt is something you probably have at home. And yes, it takes a little bit of time, but that's also part of our culture. Like we like to spend the time baking, cooking, doing things, because it means it brings everyone together around the table. So it's literally part of our culture, because we would never sit on a table and eat for like 20 minutes and then stand up and leave. It will take at least an hour, because you spend time talking and then you appreciate things you've done from scratch. So yeah,
That sounds so much nicer than how we do it. It's like in my bed with a bowl of cereal. So we're ready to put these in now?
Yes, we
Nice.
are.
Okay, let's do that. Look at that, we made it beautiful. Oh my god.
It's okay, I think.
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
I'm really happy with this. So how long have you been in London?
I've been in London since September, so not long.
So what was your image of London before you came, and what has changed? Like, were you disappointed by anything, or were you surprised by anything?
London has got everything. As I said, in like 1 hour train, you can get from one side to the other. You can literally live an full Indian experience in London while you're in London, and the day after you can get a Mexican or Italian experience all in one place.
When people say about English food, it's like, well, we don't really have it. We steal yours.
Yeah.
We take from everywhere
Yeah.
else. We should get Ricardo to taste this.
Yep.
Are you okay to share?
Sure.
Let me just magic Ricardo in front of me. Nice.
Nice.
I live with housemates, Ricardo and Anna. Anna, as you know, is from Italy. Ricardo, where are you from?
I'm from southern Chile. The city's name is Chillán.
You've lived here like forever.
10+ years.
You basically... Oh no, you are British. You took the citizenship test.
Thank you, Ali.
You have a passport as well. How do you feel about that?
Very British.
Try the pizza. Try the Italian
The
pizza.
Italian flavor. Thank you, Anna.
Welcome.
Honest opinion.
Oh, it's Italian pizza, so it's
Ricardo, being from Chile, I've asked him to bring something Chilean. What is this amazing drink called?
This is Pisco sour,
What goes in a Pisco sour?
lime juice, icing sugar, the white of the egg, and ice. Cheers!
Cheers, dudes!
Oh, in Italy we just do this before we drink.
Do you not clink?
Yes, we do that, and then we leave it on the table and get it back.
What's the reason of that?
It's like a sexual thing.
Go on.
Yeah? So basically, if you tap, then it means you will have good sex for life. Yeah.
Can we cheers again?
Some people twist it.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Go over it.
He's gonna
Twist it. Pick it up again.
Ooh.
Holy shit, that's
It
strong.
is strong, yeah.
It's really good though.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm a
it's
big
good.
fan.
Mm.
I thought in England it was just normal for everyone to have housemates. But some countries it's kind of weird. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, especially in London, no one can afford a house, so everyone just lives with housemates like us. But like in Chile and Italy, is it weird to have housemates or no?
In Italy, you would do it only when you go to uni. But otherwise, if you're not going to uni, you will not think about getting housemates and move somewhere. You will either go to live with your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, or stay with your family as long as you're ready to move out. It's personal, but usually if you move out, it's only because you go to live together with someone.
It's a great way to save money though.
Yeah, also imagine if you are like a first buyer, so you can pay your mortgage with that easily.
What makes you feel most proud of your city or your country?
I would say the historical background we have, because everywhere you go you will find something historical. Even in my city, even though it's a small one, everywhere you go you will see something that you haven't seen before and you're like amazed. And the architecture, everything is just like, you look at it and you're like, oh wow, I didn't see that before, because there's so much to look at.
We produce sausages. They're really popular in the country.
Wow.
The name of this is longanizas.
Do you feel proud of these sausages? Or?
Well, I have to, basically.
But I mean,
They're really the best. No, they made the point. They're really the best. But no one else does it.
Wow.
Cheers, everyone. Thanks.
Cheers.
Thanks for pizza. Thanks for Pisco. Thanks for watching. I forgot to do the thing.